In this video, you'll learn how to set up Claude Code for beginners. By the end of this guide, you will be able to access Claude Code and use it to generate code snippets based on your requests. Begin by opening Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice. This can be done by locating the browser icon on your desktop or in your application menu and clicking on it to launch. Once your browser is open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the window. Here, type in the URL https://claude.ai and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you to the Claude AI homepage. Upon reaching the Claude AI site, you may need to log in or create an account if you do not already have one. If prompted, click on the Login button to enter your credentials. If you are new to Claude, look for the Sign Up option, fill in the required information, and follow the prompts to create your account. After successfully logging in or creating your account, you will be directed to the main interface. Look for a button labeled New Chat and click on it. This will open a new chat window where you can interact with Claude. In the chat window, you can now type your request. For instance, you might enter write Python function to sort a list. After you finish typing, press the Enter key to submit your request. Claude will process your input and generate a code snippet in response. Once Claude provides you with the code, you can copy it for your use. Simply highlight the code with your cursor, right-click, and select Copy from the context menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Control and C together. This action will store the code in your clipboard for pasting into your own development environment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.